And children, take out your poem, The Curious Panda, in English too. So, first read this poem, then we'll discuss about it. The panda, the pandas all have rings of black around their eyes, you know. Can you guess how they got them? Well, many years ago, a panda was so noisy that he had to peep and pry, and he looked through someone's keyhole when the paint was not quite dry. Around each eye he had a ring of sparkling fresh black paint, and all the other pandas thought that he looked very quaint. They lined up by the hundreds to peer through the same crack to copy him, and that is why they all have rings of black. So, again, come here. See, what is the meaning actually? Curious means eager to know, wanted to know. So Panda was like this only. He wanted to know about others actually. So this is a poem about Panda only. You know that all the pandas have a rings of color around their eyes, black color. Correct? No? Can you guess how they get? Do you know how they got them? Actually, Panda was very curious to know what other peoples are doing. So he was so curious that he wanted to see from someone's doors what was happening inside. Uh, Here it is written, this word is written keyhole. What is the meaning of keyhole actually? Meaning of keyhole means actually it is a again a hole in the door through which we can lock the door with the help of a key. Okay, so what happened one day that this curious panda, he was just peeping inside the this someone's door. Okay, so there was a keyhole in the someone's door. The curious panda was peeping inside. The door was painted with a black color. The door was painted with a black color. By chance, when he was peeping inside from the keyhole, he got black paint in a shape of a ring around his eye. That was again fresh black paint, it was. So he got again around his eyes. And when other pandas saw him, and what they replied, that again that you are looking very that they told to panda that you are looking very different, very attractive, and they lined up, means they made a line by hundreds, and again what they also started looking from that crack, and they copied him, and that is why they all these pandas also got the ring around the eye. Better take out your fair notebooks. Better take out your fair notebooks. These On the top of a fair notebook, write down name of the poem, The Curious Panda, and then you have to write down these word meanings. Okay. After that, copy your question from here, and I'm just giving you the answers which you have to write in your fair notebook. Okay, first is, what did the nosy panda do and why? The nosy panda had to peep. He did so because he wanted to know about others. Next is, beta, what happened to him? He got black ring around his eye. Okay. Then is, why did the other pandas copy him? They copied him because they found him attractive and they found him different and attractive. Then move to the book, beta. B exercise. Find words in the poem that rhyme with these words. First is mess, guess, cozy, nosy, try, pry, sting, ring, fought, thought, dear, peer, track, crack, fall, all. Come here, beta. I am going to draw a panda. I don't know how to draw an elephant. When two words are joined together by leaving out one or more letters, the new word is called contraction. Okay, we use apostrophe in place of the missing letter. I have, I haven't, sorry, haven't, didn't, can't, she's, isn't, and aren't are some examples of contractions. In contractions, what happened, beta, when we are writing I am? In contraction, what we do, we skip one word and write in this way. Okay, okay, beta, we skip one word. So start doing this first exercise. It's written am. So here fill up, it is missing word I. He plus is, he's. Okay, is. Can not, can't. Have not, haven't. She is, she's. Is not, isn't. This was all in your Curious Panda, beta. Copy down somewhere. Okay, beta. Have a good day.